Okay, good morning, guys. Over here, we're going to do the Google Docs. So we open our Google website and we click on these little squares. We look for our Google Docs and we start a new document pressing the blank. Now we have to do the putting the title of our document. Let's say mine was course for week 2 and my name. Google Docs. Alright, so now I'm going to teach you how to put some kind of link on this site. Okay, my topic now is about praying, so I'm going to put like okay, just always always pray at night. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we put all this in the middle. So we're going to click this one and choose the middle. Alright, even this things. Okay, put it in the middle. Now we're going to play on this things over here. We can use this one for bold and underline and make our font comic, and we'll make it bigger. Okay, we'll do it bigger and bigger. Okay, so that's our title. Now we go here, we make these things bold, and we'll make it comic also, and make it just a little bit, but just you can see here we need to highlight our poem. Okay, so we're gonna play with our colors in here. Just always we put it this color. Now we put this one, and pray we put alright, and T would be this color, and night would be this color. Alright, so we have our title. We change its color also into this. Maybe we make it red because Japan is color red. Okay, so we can do highlighting also this one red, and with the that background. Okay, so with this one we go to find something to like a prayer. Okay, so prayer night. Okay. So we find over here. Okay, let's see this. Lord's Prayer. Okay, here we can find different kinds of prayers on this side. Okay, but I'm gonna teach you how to go and link that web page. Okay, check this. Check out this web page. Right, and then we're going to make this big and bold and bigger. Okay, the web page, we're going to highlight the web page, and then we go to this website, and we're going to copy this and go back, and we're going to link it over here. Okay, we link, and we're going to paste the web page, and we apply. Okay, so now we have the web page on our, if you click this one, you can see you have the web page in there. Okay, now we're going to do some comments on this page. So we highlight the whole thing, and what we're going to do is, after highlighting, we do this and make a comment there. So let's pray at night. So we're doing our comment, okay, there, and from here we can share our link to anybody we wanted to. Okay, so now we're sharing it to Miss Laura, Money, Manuel Roberto, and Miss Kathy Mansai, and okay, we'll just do that. Okay, and then we're going to send this. They can edit or comment, or they can just view, but this time we're going to use the can comment and send. Okay, so now we shared it with 3 people. Hey guys, that's it. Hope you learned something from my teachings. Thank you.